Eni ano me chacha mu nyina biem. Eye mu nua nie kwaku nie obiara banye TV nie Owaso FM yen. Ebia me se ye ba ye de ni se ye wo ensem bi ka ye wo ensem bi ka o ye wo ensem bi ka ye de ye wo ensem bi ka. Nti se wo so waso pa bi a obetia na wagye ye so ye wo ensem bi tie. Ye wo ensem bi tie. Because yen ye wo ensem bi ka obiara banye abusua ena ye ne wo kasai obiara banye abusua ye se ye wo ensem bi ka enti wo waso pa bi a wo de befam ya dikaji ye so se ye wo ensem bi tie enuanom de ekoso no very simple e wo se ye nyina yetimi tena se na ye dwen se oman mmapa meka se ye ntena se na ye nwene ho a ye nwene ye man no ho ye dwene ye ho no na e wo se ye dwene ye man no ho asem bi a ase emfa obia ho nso efa ye nyina ye ho de nti efa ye nyina ye ho ni se yeti ye se ye ma obi anye ku e wo man ni mu biem anase to the modern democracy no ade efa ni coup d'etat no ye twam and the so called democracy has emerged in the system se aban ya sabre opre to me den e wo Ghana yi NDC aban no obi na no a de o kan say we are the democratic country, we are the democratic institute, and we are democratically sound. Say yebema peye aye adwuma democracy no pese mudika bi say o mampanyi ni say o ti ase sen. Is it socialism and I say communist asem na o kan communism na asem na ono kan no ana say socialism asem na o kan ana say sa democracy na o kan no o ti ase. Because to me, my point of view no me menti ase mu no the so called NDC party no omo de omo no na use the word democracy epeso omo ka to yasum say omo na omo ye democratics and as they are democratically sound but they are not. Omo ye socialist communist. Omo ye communist. If it's a communist for no omo nwene oman ni ye die ho e na omo nwene oman ni kanko ho. Communist rhythm no omo adwene ni say omo be ma omo ankasa no omo ye die ahia wo mo na wo a wo ben omo bia no wo so ye be ma wo ye be hye wo kutupa ye be hye wafonum se de be ya wo so wo benya wo ho na afa die koso no wontimi mie wa no enka ho asem. That is the communist rhythm. Nkrumah osagefo Dr. Nkrumah na obeji yen free sa abrofo ni nsem no hwe sa bere no kotu ana ya pamo ahye no as a school boy and as a diplomat wodi ba ya Ghana for ji ni tumu akire wodi na ni kire China honum no se wankasa obedi hu adanse a kotu krampo a na ehye no na kotu no afede wawro kotu na gu ho akohye sa communist for na tade no kotu aya pamabom ti se ma edendie bia afede no na wodi ba Ghana honum a wodi be kire just to show us say o change rhythm no from the democratic world into the communist world. Ampa wanfa na adwino wanfa ansie oda nadi even because of cloth no atade na wo share no obeda nadi kire say he is ready to join the communist rhythm. Na sa communist rhythm no eno na midi kan kire o mu say eno no omo mpe o man ni yie di o eno omo mpe wo as individual no enye wo yie di enti na omo ba. They are coming for their own riches. Ombeshe omo nkasa omo botomu ma. No ma hye omo afunu mu ma. No ma hye omo busua no susu mu ma. Ama busua na di yie. Na wo hiani no a wo bre na yete wo tax. Eji bo omo ho ban, eji tua omo ka no. Omo ma wo wa bre sa just you continue to be poor. The person me come out here say no. What the kind dwene ho de? There is a big difference between democracy na Mahama ne ba ya no ka ho asem no to the communist rhythm we know. If it's a generalist now be inherit power no that time no or be use the same word say we have to We have cocoa and we cannot give the price. We have our diamond, we cannot give the price. No, you where they be just to convince you. And the same thing is what the so-called NDC today is doing. They are only criticizing the government because Sikanwa, I was say yen ma yenya bidino. I was say ko omun bottom. Sikana was say wo na nabia nani abre no ho a wodo kokofo bi ana wodo aduani bi e bebre ode bebre o momti kru no mu adi no. Sika was say ko wono no bottom no ana say wono so gibi enjoy no. Say sika no omo pani nyina agegu omun ko bottom. Omo problem no. They are not thinking about the masses nor the nation. That is out of the equation. That is the policy of the communist, a socialist communism. Ena NDC for no, ewa oma adwene nimu. Nti se wo nimu a me ka kire they are not ready. They are not ready. They are only using the word Democrats. We are democratic. Ghana is a democratic country. Nti e wose e de mraya adwuma. Do they know what the law is? Ono mama no se wonimu ade e frɛ no emra. Nkatamu ayeto aba ni wiye no. He was going to take a good decision. They said the time no Akufo-Addo take ye no. Ofre ne party ene na chidifo ene omu hia ye ka kire omu se aba we say anko amaya na che se bibi tichima. Enti e wose ye kodan court. Na court hwehwe sa ansem no. If he Mahama no understand the so-called law no, was he able to do it? Answer me. Obeti nipa guma mama be demonstration from the north to the south, from the east to the west. Na for baba ka kire say what democracy ase. Even your own parliamentarians, your own officials, your own MPs are wo na wo say omo nka omo nimu mra no. Omo ti omo hu go abonten so march towards the EC building without no permit. Emra be na omo nimu. Na no omo gina parliament ho no mo omo meka asem yenti a emra no is not governing omo MPs no na citizens no. Jesu omo do omo nye nipa nyesa. Omo ye MP aya sha omo nnade atade enti omo nye Ghana fo. Sa na tie nyesa. Menua momma ye ma ye ni na ho. Momma ye ma ye ni enna ho. Na ye ma Ghana fo nyina asonti se oman no yen ene betimi di oman na kɔ nanim. Enye John Mahama no ena enye Nana Akufo-Addo dankwa ene betimi ama oman na kɔ nanim. Yen ankasa ene pese oman no kɔ nanim a yebema oman na kɔ nanim. Ase ni sen se wono ebeye okandifo na se yesi de oye no yebeboa no apia no ama na kɔ a anase yebefo de oye bia so ama ne nhyehyeye no yaboa no ama na kɔ animu a eno ene kire se yen yepe oman ni yie na yen konkope okandifo bi a woye so greedy pesamin kuminya ene hye na koma nimu se oni na poundfo ene wo se wo mu de omu di yie na enye oman ni kanko ene ya support no enye sa nipa we bi ne pese edi na chi 1 umejira bonten enka se electoral commissioner de na baaye no eye MP before na de ne baaye enti ekwan bia so obewi abani momaye ana yeto abayiwe ye wasan hure gina se wani abana amaye. Life itself no is not fair. Life itself no is not fair. Enti de wo wadwen kire wo se somebody has been unfair to you no eye wo wadwen no but we have to face the reality. The realistic is that ye Ghana for ye promine kanko enti se wo we wabedi omine so pen na se nsisan bi aba what na kire hu se nsisan na aba no e bia sei any say na ono wa obefa to me no ode ko mani nyi ho simple go to court na fe emra na wa omine mu no enka wo wasem na ma na coming out say it is not fair. It is not fair. I can say would so use the word it is not fair no. I want you people to know say life itself no it's not fair. But we have to face the reality. Say the buyer betimi di o man no akọ nanim. Sa NDC party no, so we nimu America chiro, it is not Democratic Party. They are socialist / communist. They have the communist ideas. Until who are with the omo. If you don't know what the politics means, tenase na bisa na yenchire wumu. If you say Ghana honum na yete no, ye politics and ye before no, ye see ye politics there. But they be America, we don't even understand what the politics mean. And I'm still telling you, we don't even understand what the politics means. NDC, National Democratic Party, what ya Tony Dinso, what the abominable, so a democratically sound. But he is not. Maybe you don't know what the democratic means. Maybe you don't know what the democracy means. And you know, they are socialist / communist. That is the party NDC now who is no. Communist for no omo adwen no. So we more American chiro. For their own, for themselves. Into omo buy no na oman no, obi abeka say na sika wom, and na do buy there sika ni oman nim. That is how it is. So we more American chiro. That is how they govern. It is a wo ni mu a me ka kire enya dia omo ba no so omo den sisan bia beba because socialist / communist no they have different ideology. Enti oman no say yesisa na say yesi yebesisa dia NDC party no I'm telling you and I will still tell you again. We don't need it. Say yempe MPP no a we should look for an independent candidate. No so no obetimi different ideology. Abe pija o man no na fe ye dia koye nim se de ye koye nim ya. Etosimienu say ye hwe enema mu a all this systematic racism na even omo kasa na epie firi omo anoba no. Wan kasa no watena se adwene ho pen. Jerry Rawlings na obeji party ni bae no. Obi na no a wasi obeka Ghana for abom. There was discrimination. Obeka Ghana for boom. And what did he did? He did nothing concerning that one. Instead, onu krampo bi na no okasa. Baby obekwa fa kasa na firi aba no. Utimi say they have some systematic racism bi ewo omo policy ni mu. But Ghana na enye obi ade o. Enya Asante for dia, enya Igbe for dia, enya Ntafo no mu dia. Eye nyina ye dia. Ghana no yeye miensa. I want you to know. Say we ya Santini, say we ya Egbeni, and I say we say menya akani mi etani no. Enya wo dia. Ye nyina ye dia. Enti se pese yetimi ko yenim se oman ma. E wo se yetimi kan ye ho bom. It is very simple. Baby e wiase na nyina duru say no. Sa politics na abe ura ya adwen mu a enti obia epese o kire na adwen se we dia wo kan de enye we dia wo kan de enye we dia na ye na obi kura timi huri gina ne dua so na odi atem odi o mampanyi na mu atem. I'm not ready for that, but me pese me ma ye nyina ye twen adwen si bibi so say we are mature now. Enti say ye pese e politics na sia we have to do a thorough research. Na yenya the political terms no na yenya political riders na ya fafa wo mo obi ti say that goddamn Sami Jamfi na obi yakofa no this sometimes I feel sorry for say a whole radio station will bring such type of riders na joma betina television so na instead of bring another program I be the educating nipa no but the political parties we NDC ni MPP ni na we flow to the audience na fe nipa etie na wono presenter no ofo say oye adwuma. This type of political riders we don't want to hear them because who as a presenter no woni mu ameka mo so ate say ono say nipa na wote ho na wakofa na betena honom na okan nkwasi asem no. The political leader nankasa no say ye Mahama say ye Akufo-Addo no, he is not even getting contact with that person. No afa obi ena say nipa no so abefa ono say rider enti no or he is paid millions for what he is doing. Enti bibia wo se obeka no e wo se obetena ho no mo a oka said the bear nipa corona of soma no nani baji no ho. That is the so-called propaganda. Enti mommy stop this goddamn propaganda in our politics and move as one people and take the nation forward, because Ghana wanyini a o ya ko pension oba kokora ni sa menua enti masema mpese me ne wo ka anase obiara banye abusua ye pese ye ne wo ka anopai tie na foto asopam na se wo be demonstration bi anase wo be kasa ama party bi anase wo betu anamon bi a dwene ho biem se Ghana no ne nkanko ene epe medamase.